Good morning, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get water spots out of a ceramic coated vehicle. It's pretty simple. This is something I've had a lot of clients come in and ask for, saying they didn't get a good coating. Water spots are still going to happen. So I'm going to show you what this looks like and show you how to do it. It's really simple, really easy, and you can do it in an entire vehicle in probably 30 minutes total. All right, so we got some water spots there, as you can see, right in there. Got some of these lines going on. Not sure what that is. It's probably just water spots, but as you can see, it's kind of eaten up with water spots. All right, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna get a bucket, some soapy water, nothing crazy. You don't need graphene spray, you don't need detail spray, and get you a clay mint. Wet it down really good. And then you don't want to apply a lot of pressure to this. You want to do this very lightly. You just kind of go back and forth in a crosshatch pattern. I'm lightly pressing. I'm really not even pressing. I'm basically just letting the mitt have a little bit of a suction of its own, and I'm just rubbing it across. Then you're gonna come back this way. I'm gonna cross hatch it. Don't let it dry out. And then once that's done, you're just going to want to dry it off. Now, as you can see, the lines are clearly gone. I'll show you the spots. There's no spots left. It's really simple, it's really easy. It takes 4 minutes a panel. Well, you can see this panel, all those spots are gone. Come over here to this panel, this one hasn't been done yet. All those spots are there. There's another look over here. No water spots. It's actually still hydrophobic. Coating's still there, good as new. This is the right way to do it. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Going to be more tutorials, how-tos. Stay locked in, fam.